Special Saturday edition of an on-demand Storm Tracker forecast update. Hello, I'm Chief Meteorologist. I'm Mike Hurd, and I'm filling in on your Saturday with updates at 5:30 and 10 on KXLF and KBCK. Ready for a pattern change? I know it's warm out there again today. Should be mild again on Sunday, but early Monday morning we'll start to see a cold front press in from the northwest, and this could bring some cool and wet weather Monday into Tuesday across west-southwest Montana. At least southwestern Montana is favored to see some of the moderate snow bands moving through the region. So these bright pink areas above 7,000 feet, you're probably looking at over 6 inches of some heavy wet snow. But even the lower valleys could see some minor accumulating snow out of this Monday morning into Tuesday morning. But it's going to be warm enough during the day that a lot of that will melt off. But some much needed precipitation is on the way. So here's the big picture view. We have a high pressure ridge that's pretty much sitting pretty here across the western U.S. The flow around the high and this approaching upper level trough is right at the southwest. So that's why it's so warm and dry lately. But we have an upstream cold front, and that could generate some wind. Wind is not a big issue here on your Saturday afternoon, but wind could be a little frisky around 4 or 5 o'clock this evening, then taper into tomorrow morning. And with the cold front moving in late tomorrow, winds could be localized around 30 to 40 miles per hour. That combined with low humidity, warmer than normal temperatures, higher fire danger likely as we go through the day on Sunday. Monday, though, we cool down. Increasing wind is likely as well, but there's going to be some moisture with this, so it's not a bigger of an issue for fire weather conditions for southwestern Montana. But enjoy the weather. It's gorgeous out there again today, and it should be a beautiful Easter Sunday. So as you look at the Futurecast high-resolution model, again, a lot of high cloud cover passing through tonight into Sunday. But as we stop here around 2 a.m. Monday morning, here comes a front from northwest to southeast. And again, it should begin to increase areas of rain and snow across lower valley, snow likely from mountains and passes as we go through the day Monday and into Tuesday. Short term, 35 for Butte tonight, above freezing. Wow, 62 for your high on Easter Sunday. Partly cloudy, windy in the afternoon, wind 10 to 20, maybe gusts around 30 miles per hour. And for Bozeman, it should be a very mild Saturday evening and a very mild Easter Sunday, shooting for the mid-60s tomorrow. But it'll be much cooler than that Monday and Tuesday. I'll have an update tonight at 5:30 and 10 on KXLF and KBCK.